Ganap nang nagsimula ang isang linggong jamboree dito sa Zambales kung saan 24,000 na local at foreign delegates ang nakiisa. Tila dumagundong ang buong Camp Kainumayan sa Botolan, Zambales sa sigaw at palakpak ng scouts mula sa local at international community. Matapos ang unveiling ng totem pole o jamboree marker, tanda ng opisyal na pagbubukas ng 33rd Asia Pacific Regional Scout Jamboree nitong December 14. Ayon kay Boy Scout of the Philippines National President Attorney Emilio Aquino, mahalaga ang ganitong bagay para mapagtibay ang relasyon, pagkakaisa at mahubog ang leadership ng mga kabataan.
Advocacies of scouting in general is world brotherhood, that we're all brothers. We're simply connected. And this particular event provides that opportunity for them to rub elbows with their brother. Doon there's an opportunity to exchange, yung cultural exchanges.
Batay sa tala ng BSP at lokal na pamahalaan, aabot ng higit 24,000 ang dadalo sa event. Binubuo ito ng libo-libong Filipino Scouts, kabilang ang daan-daang foreign delegates mula sa Southeast Asia. Mayroong ding mula sa Middle East at iba't ibang bahagi ng Asia. Mayroong ding delegado mula sa USA, Poland at Kuwait. Sa naging mensahe ni Zambales 2nd District Representative Doris Nanay Bing Maniquiz, buong puso niyang winelcome ang scouting sa lalawigan.
Deeply honored that Zambales is once again entrusted to host an international scouting event. This totem pole now stands beside the markers of past jamborees as a reminding that scouting has truly found a home in Zambales. Parang sinasabi ng lugar na ito, hindi ito aksidente. May kasaysayan, may pinaghuhugutan. Our province will always welcome programs that build leadership, discipline, and service among our young people.
Pinasalamatan din ni Nanay Bing si House Speaker Faustino Boje III dahil sa kanyang suporta sa Jamboree.
I wish to extend my sincere appreciation to House Speaker Boje D for his strong and unwavering support. His generosity was provided for the transportation of our international delegations. Marami pong salamat.
Dumalo rin sa event ang ikalimang Baron Baden-Powell na si David Robert Baden-Powell, ang isa sa mga kaapu-apuhan ng ama ng scouting na si Robert Baden-Powell. Ibinahagi rin niya ang pagsabay ng scouting sa panahong pabago-bago.
I think scouting evolves. When my great-grandfather founded the Scout movement, it was Edwardian Britain. Things were very different. There had just been, there was war going on, the First World War, there had been the Boer War, and things were kind of up in the air. And over the years, it has evolved and changed and become what we know now.
Inaabangan din aniya ang mga aktibidad mula sa week-long na Jamboree.
Really looking forward to activities. I love doing activities. I wouldn't mind doing some rappelling, or we call it abseiling. If there's a big mud run, I'm a big fan of a mud run. Doing some more swimming in that river down there, it's beautiful.
At hindi lang siya sa aktibidad handa.
Hopefully someone will have some Luchon, because I love Luchon. I had it at the last Jamboree and I came home telling everybody, oh my, it's the coolest thing I've ever eaten, which is great. So maybe if there's some of that around, hint, hint.
Samantala, kabilang din sa mga dumalo ngayong 33rd Asia Pacific Regional Scout Jamboree ang gobernador ng Zambales na si Governor Hermogenes Ebdane Jr., mga kinatawan ng lokal na pamahalaan, BSP at Asia Pacific Regional Scout Committee. Alam mo, sa katunayan nga, mamayang alas 3 ng hapon magsisimula na ang opening ceremony dito sa camping site sa Camp Kainumayan. Magtatagal itong Jamboree hanggang December 21 sa susunod na linggo.
At yan lang muna ang latest mula dito sa Zambales. Simon Ong, Alauna sa Balita, Congress TV.